how to disable Fandom accounts. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can disable Fandom accounts, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Fandom account just like I have done here. And then on this page, you can see several wiki pages that you can explore. Now once you can see all of this, move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons. Scroll down to the last part and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you can see two options: sign out, view profile. So just go ahead and click on view profile. After clicking on view profile and you're brought to the profiles page, the next step is to click on preferences page to take you to the preferences page. So on this page, you can see community central, you can see other options. And the next thing to do is to move to the top right corner and then click on the search icon. After clicking on the search icon, the next thing you have to do in the search box is to type out the write up which says special, then colon, then type out close my account. Okay, and then click on enter, and then you wait for the page to load. Once it has loaded, you can see instructions of how your account can be closed. So it said closing an account is a special option available to Fandom users that permanently disables the account across the entire Fandom network, etc. So for you to be able to delete your account, just click on this link and then you'll be directed to another page where further instructions will be given to you. Follow the instructions and then from there your account would be disabled. So this is how you can disable your account on Fandom. Thanks for watching and have a good day.